Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be my winter perfume wish list, as well as a few every day. There are definitely like a top 4 or 5 that I want to get, and I'll go over that at the end. But these are just perfumes that I just want to add, or a house that I'm looking into and just want your guys' input. So this is going to be more chatty. I'm not going to go over any notes, but most of these are more like winter appropriate scents or like cooler month scents, and I do have a few everyday scents that I want to add sooner than later. So if I seem really tired in this video, it's because I am. I haven't been getting much sleep, so I am running on fumes. And then I did a video and I sprayed Shagaf Oud Bouquet, and Dark Temptation, and now I have a headache. So if I seem a little down, I'm not sad. I just have a slight headache and I'm very exhausted. This is designer, luxury, and niche. First up is Coco Eau de Parfum by Chanel. This is a perfume that I've been wanting to add for a little over a year. I would say Noir, the original Coco, and number 5 were always perfumes that were always a little too mature for me. So I've always loved Coco Mad, and now that I'm older, I appreciate Coco Noir and the original Coco Eau de Parfum. I still can't get on board with number 5, but I do want to add either L'Eau or Premier. But definitely want to add Coco Chanel. It's just, to me, a very elegant, fall appropriate, warm, spicy floral scent. And again, one that I appreciate more now that I'm older. So I do want to add that one. So I wanted to add another Maison Lancôme perfume after trying out Oud Bouquet. So I did end up getting samples of jasmine, marzipan, Roseburanza, and Parfait de Roses. I thought I was gonna love Roseburanza, then Parfait de Roses, and then jasmine, marzipan. And I wanna clear it up. Anna absolutely did end up liking jasmine, marzipan in the dry down. But I wanna say that both her and her sister-in-law said that it was a very pretty scent. So I got it because it's talked about a lot in the fragrance community, but I didn't expect much from the scent. And that one ended up being my favorite. So I definitely want to add that one to my collection because the jasmine in it is done very beautifully. I think it's a scent that lasts all day, and it's a scent that, like Delina, is a very feminine, everyday. You can wear it to brunch, you can wear it to dinner, you can wear it spring, summer, fall, winter. It's just a scent that, to me, if you're going to spend that kind of money, I would like it to be a scent that you can wear year-round, any time of the day. Whereas Oud Bouquet, even though I really think that's a beautiful scent, that scent is not going to be one I can wear all the time. It's going to be a scent that I'm going to have no problems decanting and giving to like my mom, my sister, because I'm never going to get through that bottle. But I like it, so it's one that I would keep in my collection. Whereas, like Delina, I feel like jasmine marzipan is worth the price because it is an everyday scent. I do want to add more scents like that to my collection, where if I'm spending that kind of money and it's going to be that size, it's a scent that I can wear all the time. So that's another one that I want to add to my collection. And I think that does fall more like on your everyday. But Roseburanza is another one that I was thinking of adding, and that one to me is more of a one that I would like in cooler months, but I don't like that opening. I don't get foot or feet like my girl Cams does, but it does have like a very sour opening that I'm not crazy about. But before I pull the trigger on whether I'm gonna get that one, I wanna test it out next to Van Cleef & Arpels Rose Rouge, because I find them to be very similar, kind of your boozy, rosy wine. So I do wanna try them together, like side by side, because I don't know that I would need Roseburanza if they kind of smell similar. So another one that I want to pick up is Angel's Share by Kilian. And I want to get this one after seeing Redolescence video, and I will have his video linked down below where he discusses this perfume 2 times. It will probably be my first expensive niche blind buy. I have purchased affordable niche. I don't know if it's Serge Lutens or Serge Lutens, but I have purchased Serge Lutens, Famille Dubois, and they're a niche house from what I understand, and they're more affordable if you pick them up on Fragrance Net. I know I got that one for like under $80. So Kilian Angel's Share, if I get that one, that's going to be my first expensive niche blind buy. I also want to pick up the Kilian Discovery set. That set looks really nice to try different Kilian perfumes, and they come in that 7.5 mil. I think that's a great way to see if there's one other Kilian I would want to add. Another like mini discovery set that I was looking at is the Huda Beauty Kayali mini perfume set. They're currently sold out, so I don't know that I will add that during the VIB sale, but that's another one that I was looking at. And then I did want to add another Serge Lutens just because they're, again, affordable. And I was looking at Shergi and Tura Noir. I actually got a sample of Shergi because I wanted a tobacco scent, but it's a little bit more masculine than what I was wanting. I wanted something a little bit more like sweet tobacco. So I'm looking into MAC Velvet Teddy because of MJ. She said that if I wanted more of a sweet tobacco, I might like that one, and it's affordable, and she said it's one of her favorites, so I'm looking into that one. And then I know I want to maybe add a Givenchy L'Interdit. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's Givenchy L'Interdit. Just popping a picture here. I don't know if I want the original or the intense. I did see a couple of my fragrance friends here on YouTube that posted videos, so I'll have to check out your videos, but also let me know in the comments below, guys, which one would you recommend. You guys already know that I wanted to add Eccentric Molecule 01 into my collection, and then after seeing Anna Lucia's video, she mentions Eccentric Molecule 02, so I kind of want to add that one, and she says that they're really good to layer on one another. So they're great on their own, they're great layered with other perfumes, as well as great layered together. So that is like my winter wish list. I know that was a little all over the place. So some of the everyday perfumes that I want to add, I want to add Coco Mademoiselle. There's so many. Let me pull it up. So I saw Sheree talk about the new Coco Mademoiselle L'Eau Privé, and it's supposed to be like a bedtime scent. So I was like, I don't know if I want a bedtime scent. But Maria MJ, she got a sample of it, and she said that she actually really liked it. And I asked her if it was worth it, and because she knows that I like Coco Chanel, she told me that to me it would be worth it. So I love the original Coco Mad, but it is a perfume that I tend to save more for cooler months, more fall, holidays, winter, the intense and the original. So I wouldn't mind a more everyday version for spring and summer. I wouldn't mind having like a version, like a more wearable version of that. And then I do want to add Viktor and Rolf Lavender Illusion from the Magic collection, because Takara really loves that scent. Ever since Livre, I've been wanting more lavender scents. Not even after Manguerlan. It was after Livre that I've been wanting more lavender scents, and she thinks I would like that one. So that's another one that I want to add to my collection when I see a sale. So another one that I was thinking of adding to my collection, but I haven't seen enough reviews. I saw Coco Peb's review, and it's one that kind of made me take it off my list, is Angel Nova. So I wanted to add Angel because you guys know that I am an Angel girl, and I love pretty much all the Angels, but I feel like this is more of L'Oreal coming out. It's a little bit more basic, no wow factor. Angel is something that is kind of unique, so I do want to see a few more reviews, but my girl here, Coco, she wasn't impressed, so I don't know if I want it, but it is still there on my wish list. I for sure want to get Coco Chanel the original, Maison Lancome's Jasmine Marzipan, Kilian Angel's Share, and Coco, Mademoiselle, L'Eau Privé. Those are for sure perfumes I want to add. Oh, and Lavender Illusion. Lavender Illusion, I might wait maybe for spring. Even though T did say that it's like a good scent for fall. And honestly, I live in Florida, so I have to create fall. But for sure, those 5 I want to add to my collection. I want to get more into luxury, private lines, and affordable niche. I also want to add, I have Parfum de Marie. Like, I have their discovery set. So once I go through that discovery set, I wouldn't mind adding another one. Either a Thalia or a Safonat. I feel like those are going to be more up my alley because I've tried, I don't know if it's Casali or how to pronounce it, but that one's a little powdery, and Exclusive was a little too powdery for me. But let me know in the comments below, guys. Let's get the comments going. What are some perfumes you guys would recommend? What are on your guys' wish list? What on my wish list do you have, and what are your thoughts on them? Let me know in the comments below. But that will do it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like me and haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. Click that notification bell so you know when I upload. And until next time, guys.